So we're a little different than a mechanical video, but doing a garage roof today and see what we can repair here. So after ripping off the plywood, it's not going to work out just to resheet it with 3/8. So decided to put a heavier sheeting like a 5/8 tongue and groove, but the concern that I have is that with this small overhang, we're not quite lining up on our 8-foot mark here. So see, we're going to be basically landing our sheets here, which I don't really like. So what my suggestion is to cut this side off flush, and then we'll just nail a fascia board right to the end, and I would recommend a 2x6. So we cut all this. Now this one section here, this 8-foot section, we're going to lay down a sheet of 3/4 plywood first to repair this. And then when I start to sheet, I'm actually going to be hitting on a truss every single time, and that's going to make it so much stronger. The rest of it, it's a little dodgy, but it's going to be okay with that sheeting, provided I'm on these 4-foot centers. Now, here's another section where we've got 4 feet in between here. So we'll just knock this whole section of boards out, and we'll lay a sheet of 3/4 right here. Now, if we had a third one, I could get up here and maybe do a piece here. Would be kind of nice. Either which way, I really think that it would be beneficial to knock that edge off. We could even knock this edge off too. Actually, they've actually built an overhang here, so that's a little bit better. So maybe we'll just leave that how it is. But flush up on the front. 3/4 inch plywood, 3/4 inch plywood, full sheet over top with the tongue and groove 5/8. See what we can patch in with little bits and pieces here and there. Even if I were to rip a little piece to fix a couple of these holes up, that would help immensely. And then I can do a little bit of shim work if I have to, just to keep it level out. But after I get all this clean and everything, there's going to be nothing there, guaranteed. Same thing with this. Nothing there, and even with the 5/8 we're gonna have a soft spot, and I don't think that snow will work. I'm gonna do a little bit of tree trimming here too while I'm up here. I'm gonna bring my pole saw tomorrow. I'm gonna knock this branch off if that's okay. This does not look like a city tree, so we should be okay with that, and that should help out with keeping a few more leaves and things that help rot, and that's the solution I have to this problem.